Hello everyone, welcome to Infigyan. In this very exciting video of factorial equations, we are going to solve an interesting equation 5 times x factorial plus 2x equal to 2x cube. While solving this problem, I will use factorial notation, I will use recursive formula, algebraic manipulations, and will conclude our result by logical arguments. So let's get started by writing domain of the equation. X factorial is involved, so domain is x is non-negative integer. So let me write x belongs to integer, and integer should be always x greater than 0. Okay, if 0 is satisfying, then we can consider that one also. But as we can see, 0 factorial is 1. So right hand side you will have 0, left hand side it is 5. So it won't match. So let's begin the problem by taking 2x away from both sides. So I will consider 5x factorial is equal to 2x cube minus 2x. Now I will take 2x out. So what is left? X square minus 1. Now I will write the difference of square formula, which states that a square minus b square, it can be written as a plus b times a minus b. So I will write that difference of square to the right, and left hand side the recursive formula of factorial will be used. What is that recursive formula? It states that x factorial can be written as x minus 1, x minus 2 factorial. Okay, so let's apply both. So 5 times x minus 1, x minus 2 factorial. This is recursive formula equal to 2x x minus 1 x plus 1. Okay, now what we can cancel? X minus 1, x minus 1. Why? Because x cannot be equal to 0 and x cannot be equal to 1. You can check. Let's check here. If you want to check, we can check here. X equal to 0. 5 times 0 factorial plus 0 equal to 0. 0 factorial is 1. 5 is not equal to 0. So x equal to 0 is not possible for this equation. Second, x is equal to 1. Let's check this one also. 5 times 1 factorial plus 2 equal to 2. So 1 factorial is 1. So left hand side is 7, right hand side is 2. It is not true. So we can cancel, or we can divide both sides by x times x minus 1. Now what is left? 5 times x minus 2 factorial is equal to, what is left? 2 times x plus 1. Okay, done. Now I am going to give substitution. So what is that substitution? We'll consider, let x minus 2 is equal to y. So x will be equal to y plus 2. Let's put over here. So it will become 5 times y factorial equal to 2 times x plus 1. So y plus 3. So I can write 5 times y factorial equal to 2y plus 6. Now I will use recursive formula once again. Okay. So 5y factorial 2y plus 6. Let me use recursive formula one more time. Y times y minus 1 factorial is equal to 2y plus 6. Divide both sides by y. So it will become 5 times y minus 1 factorial equal to 2 plus 6 over y. Okay. Now what we'll do, we'll conclude something. Point number 1 from LHS, left hand side, from this side. Point number 1, y must be always greater than or equal to 1. If y is less than 1, then this factorial would be negative, which is not acceptable. Point number 2, it is always positive integer. Now come to RHS. Right hand side, this is already integer. So this has to be integer. For this 6 over y has to be integer, there are few outcomes, few points. Point number 1, y should be always less than 6, less than or equal to 6. Once y is exceeding 6, then this would be fraction. Point number 2, y must be factor of 6. Okay. Point number 3, the possible values of y would be 1, 2, 3 and 6. Alright, if you will club both, see, we have seen already y equal to 1 case. So overall conclusion would be, we have to check only 4 values. So y equal to 1, 2, 3 and 6. We have seen already 1, so I can cancel this one. Let me check y equal to 2, 3 and 6. LHS, RHS. Okay, let's find out the values. Y equal to 2. So 5 times 2 minus 1, 1 factorial. So LHS would be 5. RHS, right hand side, 2 plus 6 over 2, 3 equal to 5. RHS is 5, LHS is 5. That means y equal to 2 is verified. It is true. Y equal to 3. I will put here y equal to 3. 5 times 3 minus 1. So 2 factorial. 2 factorial is 2, 10. LHS is 10. RHS is 2 plus 6 over 3. So let me write 2. So it is 2. So this is not acceptable. Y equal to 6. 5 times 5 factorial. It would be 720. 120 times 5. And RHS would be 2 plus 6 over 6, 1, 3. Left hand side is 720, RHS is 3. So it won't accept it. Which solution is accepted? That is y equal to 2. Now remember our substitution. Our substitution was x minus 2 is equal to y. So in place of y, I will write x minus 2 equal to 2. Conclusion is x is equal to 4. Okay. Now let's verify this value. So I will write verification. Okay, 5 times 4 factorial. Here I am putting in the original equation. 5 times 4 factorial is plus 2 times 4 and RHS is 2 times 4 cube. Let's verify. 4 factorial is 24. 24 times 5 is 120. 8. And RHS is 2 times 4 cube is 64. So left hand side is 128. RHS is also 128. That means it is verified. So our solution is accepted, which is x is equal to 4. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Take care.